Yeah, how y'all doing? Good morning, brothers. And then he showed me the different concrete that you can change the concrete, like all this into.
Yep.
Stains?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking around your pool, maybe a beach stain with like this.
He goes
like sand.
He's doing travertine.
What the hell that mean?
This is the type of tile, stone.
Yeah.
Use some big words around me.
What color you thinking about for the for our hair?
I don't know, because if he did that, I'm like,
if he painted this black,
what I could do is, because if I do get this, it makes it better where it won't get stained. You see how they drove on here?
Yep.
I feel like with it being white, it eventually
will.
So.
It will.
So I don't know, what color y'all think?
Once it's black and white?
Yeah,
the house?
I do this, the whole driveway.
Probably a darker gray.
Yeah. The only reason we didn't paint it black the first time was we didn't want to make it feel too.
No, I know what it is. His wife said he couldn't do it. Yeah, he wanted to learn.
She did. She told me not to do it. She told me. She was like, "Nah, it's gonna be." She said it's gonna feel too dark. She wanted to keep some warmth.
And then I had to let her know it was the eyes that. And she said, "Nah, you gotta have it stand out."
Yeah.
Yeah.
She said, keep some warmth on it so it don't feel too.
Yeah.
She didn't want it to feel too masculine. Right?
Yeah.
But now that you got it, we know who's gonna buy it. But now it's yours, so yeah, that black's gonna be cold.
It's hard, bro. Like, what was the concept when you like put it together?
When I came in here, I seen how big it was.
Yeah, it's a big ass space.
When I first, when y'all showed me it, I was like, this could be a room.
Yeah.
And then with that being like, it's like so classy, I was like, that's all I got. I'm like, yeah, what can I have ratchet? This is the only place I can have ratchet.
Yeah. Day number 1, man. Out here on site, doing a pool for Marco.
Listen, I wanted a pool. I got a pool.
I remember I was like 11 years old, and I told my mom I wanted to go swimming at the community center. It was $6. And she said that was a lot of money for us. It was 4 of us. And I said, that wasn't a lot of money. She was like, $6 for all y'all asses. Damn, that's a lot of money. And I was like, one day when I get older, I'm gonna build me a pool. And she said, no, you're not.
How you feeling right now about it?
She right, because I ain't building the motherfucker. I paid some motherfuckers to do it.
How I feel though, man? You really did it. That's a real manifestation right there. How you feel about it? How's it feeling right now to watch it be built?
I feel like it's to be legit, and I feel like anybody can do it. I feel like anybody that ever does themselves, I feel like they adapt themselves, and they doing it to themselves. So actually just doing stuff and actually not really, I didn't even, count the money and watch the money. It's just like God bring it to you. I feel like some people work for money, but when you work for you, the money don't come. So I just been working for me and the money's been a plus. So I didn't work for money, if that makes sense. When you work for money, it doesn't happen how you want it to. Like when you work at Popeyes or McDonald's, all the jobs I did, I was working for money. It wasn't good. So when I started working for myself, the money came. Work for yourself. Find a way to find your talent and write, sing, paint. I watched a dude yesterday. He literally go around and watch restaurants close off their lights at the end of the night. It's a little kid. And I said, that's going to make him $1 million. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like people just count money so fast. And you just got to find a way to create and manifest. Because like I said, I quit my job when I found out how to work YouTube. I kept my little job, but I remember that money I made, I put it in to buy the camera. When I made that camera, I started making YouTube videos. And I was making $1,000 a month, and I quit my job, and I lived off $1,000. And I made that, you know what I'm saying? $1,000 was a lot to me. And I put that to work. So I just feel like there's levels to your success, and I feel like it's part of my levels, and I just gotta see. I'm just ready to see what's next. I'm not content. Be nosy about yourself, not others. I'm just nosy about myself.
Bar.